Thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name's Lee, I'm 53. I'm an ex-development test rider, predominantly for Triumph. I did a little bit for Norton and a couple of other motorcycle manufacturers, but predominantly Triumph. Motorcycles are my love, motorcycles are my passion, and that's what this channel is all about. It's for the love of motorcycles. I covered over 1 million miles on the road for Triumph, and I'm proud of every single bike I've ever worked on. I'm proud of every mile I've ever accomplished. And there's been some amazing projects, some amazing bikes. I've ridden in some amazing places with some amazing people. There's been some highs and there's definitely been some lows. But you know what? The one thing that really shines through all of this is the love of motorcycles and the passion that I have for two wheels. Because do you know what? When I ride, it's the only time I feel truly free. This channel is all about giving something back now. It's about passing on some of the knowledge and expertise that I've gained within my professional life as a development test rider. I'd also like to pass on some of my stories and the things that I've done within my working life in different videos. Hit that notification button, follow all the future videos, subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up.